was editing my video and thinking about ideas or topics to speak on the next video. And then I turned back and I looked at the green screen. And I got my idea. I decided to talk about green screen, how it works, and where is it used. And also, can we use blue screen? So stay tuned and watch the whole video. A green screen is literally what it means. It's a green background. It can be made up of cloth or paper. Green screen helps us to change the background to the ones we want. Like I can change it to Savannah or to Antarctica, or I can be near Eiffel Tower in Paris. So it really is what we want, and we can change it to the place or to the background we desire to be. Now, a green screen is mostly used in movies where graphic is involved, like in the Avengers or in Disney movies. It is also used by YouTubers who change the background to suitable ones they want. Now, in movies, there is a special room called as a green room, in which the directors shoot the play, record it, and give it to the graphical editors who can change the background they want. Green screen can also be used to place graphical objects, like in this clip. Well, how does a green screen work? Well, green is a very vibrant color, which makes it harder for any other color to blend in with green, except for the shades of green. Now, because of this vibrant color, it's easier for the software to detect it, and henceforth it can change the background accordingly. Now, if we wear something green in color, or if we have an object which is green in color, then the software will have harder time detect them or to distinguish between them. Now, there are also other questions whether blue screen is effective. Blue screen is effective when we are wearing something green in color or if we have a green object. Now, normally blue screen isn't that effective because purple and violet can blend in with blue, which makes it harder for the software to detect the difference. And that's why green screen is more effective. Well, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do subscribe. Goodbye.